Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike with Uncle Dad's Apocalypse Garage. This episode, we're going to go on another road trip. It's a little bit all over the place because some things happened, things are going to happen, and things did happen. So so I'm playing some catch up here. But anyways, like I said, another road trip. We are heading to the Outer Banks, North Carolina, during a hurricane. This started to be interesting. Stay tuned. that view. Be our view for the week. Hopefully, unless the hurricane comes in. They're expecting a hurricane. I guess we'll leave in time, maybe. Well, guys, we got some sad news on a road trip here. About 2 hours ago, we got the mandatory evacuation for Hatteras Island. We were going to do a whole road trip video game down here in the Outer Banks. So, yeah, we've got to evacuate by 10 o'clock tomorrow. It pretty much ruins the entire week. So we're going to try to reset and do something else. But it's kind of a pretty sunset behind me. It's kind of wild. So anyways, that's where we're at on this. This video, I don't know where it's going to go. That's for sure. So I'm going to tie the, we also had a Marine Corps reunion over the weekend. I was going to tie some of those pictures into it. And all this next week, a vacation down here at Outer Banks, North Kakalaki. But yeah, it's got canceled. We're getting canceled tomorrow. So we got to head back to the campsite, pack up, and head on out tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see where it takes us, I guess. So stay tuned. All right, guys, hopefully you can hear me. The wind's picked up pretty good out here. Let me do some catching up real quick. The last little clip, I think we were down in Outer Banks, and we just got notification that we had to evacuate. Mandatory evacuation for Hurricane Aaron, I think it is. Anyways, we got down there, got set up. We were there for about 2 hours, and then we got an email notification saying we got to get out. So we did. Actually, we stayed one night down there. It was kind of cool. We were at Frisco Woods, I think it's called, campsite. We were going to camp down there all week. That didn't happen. So me and Mama Stacy decided to head north. So we are up in Kill Devil's Hill, North Carolina. Some of you all might know that is the headquarters for the Gravedigger. Oh, Dennis Anderson and the Gravedigger. So anyways, we're going to go take some of that in also and see what that's all about. So we are currently at a KOA now in that area. Tuck, I think Sound is where this is over here. So we managed to land a campsite, and we're going to go stay here for the rest of the week. So videos have been a little bit all over the place. Wasn't for sure if I was going to do a video or not because everything just kind of went sideways on us. We've already done some stuff, so I'm playing some catch up, honestly. So this is, I'm probably, actually I'm filming this probably after I've already posted some of the other videos and things you guys just seen. For example, there's a Marine Corps reunion that we go to. That happens every year for me. So anyway, I'm just kind of catching things back up and cobbling this video together. We left out yesterday, had a day trip. We went up to Virginia Beach, and that was kind of cool. So there's some pictures. I think I took some pictures of that. So that's cobbled in here. So anyways, today's Wednesday. This video is a mess, but I wanted to get a little something out, kind of document our trip or whatever. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We got one more day of adventure, I guess, to take in, and then we're going to head out Friday morning and head back to the mountains of Kentucky, or the not so mountains of Kentucky. But anyway. getting at. All right, so hope you guys are sticking tuned, staying tuned. Give me a like, subscribe, follow, share, comment, everything else you can think of. Bells, whistles, wing ding, ding-a-lings, all that kind of things. All right, stay tuned. Later. Well, guys, we've made a little pit stop on our vacation road trip. You'll never believe what we found. Here it is. Oh my goodness, we're at the Digger's Dungeons. Grave Digger Rust and Peace Museum here in North Kakalaki. So me and Stacy's gonna go in, take in the sights and sounds, maybe get to ride a monster truck, and I don't know, see what all this place has to offer. Whew, zoomed in a little bit. That there's pretty wild though. I can't get over that. Anyways, let's see what this thing's all about. All right. So here we are inside the shop here. Obviously they've got all kinds of monster truck, monster jam stuff. Stickers. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to get some stickers. For sure. All kinds of stuff. This isn't the museum portion, this is just the, I guess, the gift shop kind of stuff. Got all kinds of pieces up on the wall and stuff. That's pretty cool.
Can I show you something? Can I show you something?
It's apparently one of the sides here. Pretty cool. Trophies and trophies and trophies. All kinds of monster jam trophies. Pretty neat. You see the sides of the trucks up here? That's pretty wild. I got some stickers. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Where are we at? What's this place called again? I forgot. We're at the town.
Coin Jack.
Coin Jack. Outer Banks. Well, this says Outer Banks on the thing here. Anyways, we're close to Outer Banks. Coin Jack. North Kakalaki. Grave Digger stuff. Good Lord, he has just got trophies everywhere. Trophies everywhere. That is pretty cool. Alright, we'll walk up here. Wagon, yeah, I seen that.
Bad influence. I'm saying no. Look at this. Look at this.
Pretty neat. Alright, guys. We're inside the museum. There's a
Please welcome the icon, Grave Diggers, Dennis Anderson.
We won't film it all, out of respect.
Hey y'all, I'm Kristen Anderson, the only daughter of Dennis Anderson and the first and only female driver of Grave Digger. And I'm here to tell you the story about how my dad, Dennis Anderson, created easily the most iconic and feared monster truck ever known, Grave Digger.
Oh yeah. Here we go, into the museum. Squeaky door and all. This is pretty cool, guys. This is a replica of Dennis's first shop. Man, oh man. tell you what, we've seen some pretty cool stuff on our trip. This is going to have to be, I'm going to have to zoom out to get the full effect. This is pretty cool. Now, this right here, right there, babe, that truck, I've actually got that at the house and didn't realize that was an original truck. I found it at a flea market. And if you guys know me, I was going to repaint it and make it look like the, Bigfoot from the Mad Max movies. I was going to paint it silver and do all that, but now that I've seen it in person, I'm not going to touch it. That's pretty neat. Pretty cool. This place is just amazing. So guys, if you're ever down this way, Currituck County, come into the Digger's Dungeon. Check it out. $10 for this museum tour, not too bad at all. $10 a person, and then I think on down on the site here, we can actually go ride on a monster truck, and you know that's going to be happening. So it's pretty cool. This is pretty dang cool. That's awesome. All kinds of stuff, man. Grave digger, memorabilias, toys upon toys, RC cars. Yep, man, I could be in here all day. This is better than any National Archives museum, in my opinion. Pretty neat. My goodness. Let me get all up in here. Holy moly. Look at that monster. Literally monster. Wow. All right. We're going to get around here and look at some other stuff. This looks like this could be part of a functioning workshop. And a few things going on there. What's that one there? King Sling? King Sling, huh. Man, it's amazing the fab work on these things. Pretty daggone cool. Pretty daggone cool. Zoom out here a little bit. All kinds of replicas and things. Toys, trophies, just crazy everywhere. Walking over here. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. My goodness. Here. I could use some of these parts at the house. That'd be all right. All right, guys. We're going to carry on here. So, guys, that was a brief walkthrough on the museum. Like I said, you guys get yourself down here and check us out. It's pretty cool, especially if you're into monster trucks and things like that. It's really neat. I liked it a lot. Like I said, it's only $10 to get in, and you know, it's not a very big tour or big museum or whatever, but it's jam-packed full of iconic memorabilia, trucks and things, trophies. I mean, my goodness, Dennis has got trophies out the wazoo. I mean, the whole place is just covered in trophies. So anyways, I really like this. This is pretty neat, and the wife even tolerated it with me. So let's get on around here. Let's get through the gift shop, probably buy us a few knickknacks, and then go on down here and ride a monster truck. All right, so now we're out here just walking the site, seeing what else the headquarters has to offer. I come across this thing. I would definitely drive that to work every day. There's something right up my alley. So, looks like a fixer-upper. Some big old tires right there. It's crazy. Wow. That's pretty neat. Probably not many people walk past this and admire it as much as I do. That's cool. Alright guys, we're down here now. We're gonna ride a monster truck. We checked in, $10 a pop, cash only, not too bad. And apparently we get to ride this course here. So that's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna hop on the Riptide. Here we go. Let's get it. Here we go. Getting on this beast. All right. Getting ready to go for a ride on a monster truck. Me and Mama Stacy. Started to be interesting. I wonder if we're going to get any air. Here we go. Getting ready to take off. We're going to take it in the Riptide. salvage. Oh, there's another fixer-upper right there. You go, guys. Riding the Riptide.
Thank you.
Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, here we're down this way. Go see out the Digger's Dungeon. Sorry. Well, we're out here enjoying our relaxing beach vacation. Pretty good time. Nice calm ocean breeze. Gentle waves crashing against the shore. Oh, that just got me. That just got me. Probably can't even hear me from all the wind. Ocean mist. Slight breeze out today.
Look at me.
Huh? That's a stiff breeze.
bit of a breeze. Oh, we got some dedicated people out there. Getting ready to go fishing, I guess. What the hell?
Not today.